Welcome to the Ector Panel Assembly Manual. In Step 1, position parts 3, 5, 7, 6, and 4 in this order and use fasteners E and I to secure them in the indicated locations. Next, insert fastener C into the indicated locations. In Step 2, position parts 2 in the indicated locations and secure them using accessories G. With both parts 1 in place, secure them using accessories G. Finally, secure accessories M and I in the indicated locations. In Step 3, fit accessories C into the indicated locations. Position parts 11 and secure them with accessories G. Secure accessories O and I in the indicated locations. In Step 4, secure accessories Q in the indicated locations. In Step 5, fit accessories D, position part 10, and attach accessory P. Fit accessories B into part 8. Then, with part 9 in place, secure them using accessories J and H. In Step 6, position accessory R in the indicated location and secure it with accessories N and F. Finally, secure accessories L and R in the indicated locations.